Welcome to this video. I'm not showing my face because this is a little unboxing video. I've never done one before that I can remember. But, so I'm pregnant, as some of you know and some of you might not know. But I'm hoping that it's a girl this time. Maybe it's not, but I wanted a new diaper bag. So my sister ordered this for me, and it is by Fawn Design, and apparently it's supposed to be a really good diaper bag. And so yeah, we're gonna open it up and see what it looks like in person. It's a piece of paper. Oh my gosh. It cost $500. Just kidding. It doesn't say how much it costs. Oh, but I already like the feel of it. See, it's white. No, I'm just kidding. This isn't it. But it comes in a nice bag. Like, that's cool. This isn't plastic. This is like a fabric bag that it comes in. So it's by Fawn Design. And I just gotta pull it out. And then it has some ooh, I like the fabric a lot. I don't know what it is, if it's like real leather or what, but it feels really nice. So this is the color I chose. It's like a yellow honey. So on the camera and in the picture, it looked more yellow, but it's like it's exactly what it said it is. It's honey, and it's really pretty. I really like this color a lot. So I have never seen one of these bags. My sister's told me about them like a million times and how they're awesome. And she wanted to get me a diaper bag for the new baby, and I was like, well, I want a new diaper bag, so that would be awesome. So this is, now you can see the bag, like the whole bag. Then it has the little handle at the top because it can also be a backpack, which is really cool. So I can wear it like as a purse or a backpack. So first, let's see. Has the side pockets for a bottle, and they're actually pretty like roomy. So it will actually fit a bottle in it. Oh, this one feels bigger. Okay, no, it's not. But they're like good sized pockets on the sides. And then, so in the back, there's this little zipper. I don't know if it's just, yeah, it's just another pocket. So you could put whatever in here, like something flat, maybe. Your wallet, I don't know, whatever. And on the front, there is this little pocket. Just whatever you need to put in there. This would be a good one for like binkies and something small like that you need easy access to. And then this main zipper right here for the main bag to get in there. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the camera and bring you guys inside the bag in a second. So here's the strap. So this is for the shoulder. I'll hook them right here, which I'm not gonna do yet. I don't wanna use this bag yet until I'm ready because I still have a few months to go and I do not wanna ruin it or get it ugly or anything. But strap, it goes on the sides. On these little hooks right here. You can keep sliding all over the place. And little things to keep it fresh. So, and then there's a couple other pockets in here. And it's very roomy in here, like so roomy. You can put tons of diapers in here, have your baby wipes in here, a blanket, whatever. Bag. On the very back side, there's this pocket, and so you can put whatever in that. And then it has a zipper pocket that you can put feminine stuff in, you know, whatever you want to keep safe and secure in there. And then there's this little clip. I've never used the clips inside of bags really, but you can, keys, I don't know, whatever. And then up on this side, so there's another little side pocket here. You could put a small, like a water bottle, not even a small one, you could put a freaking water bottle in there. I'm trying to show you guys. So there's a side pocket here. There's another side pocket on this side as well. I don't know if you can see it, but it comes out. And then there's this one as well. And it smells really yummy. Super cute bag. Let's see if I can show you the backpack setup, or I don't know. To make it a backpack is back here, there's this little this thingy button, and these come out. Those come out of the top, and then these connect down here to the side thingies, and then it's a backpack, which I'm excited for because sometimes it's so much easier to carry a backpack. But just the fact that I can choose to have it look like a purse or not a purse and a backpack is awesome, because it's a cute bag either way, and I don't have to use my ugly boy one anymore. Even though I might have a boy, I don't know what I'm having yet. And it says Fawn Design on the top. Yay! Super cute. Thanks, Amy. Bye.